Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel an IKEA delivery. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to ikea.com and then just go and log into your profile. Of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to IKEA. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the products, we have the premises, offers, help and support, and all of the different things. We have the shopping, and in the top right corner, everything about your own profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an IKEA delivery. So to do so guys, what firstly you need to do is of course go to the top right corner, so click on your own profile as I already told you. Here you have your wish list, track your orders, see your purchases, order spare, and what you need to do, of course, to cancel your order is to go to see your purchases. And here you will see all of your purchases in one particular place. When you click there, you will have all of your purchases as I already told you. You just need to go and click on returns and complaints. And here you can then go and cancel the purchase that you made on IKEA. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as, guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So, guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And, guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, as always, bye, guys.